Today is a tough day for everyone, and prices skyrocket like never before. For everything. For example, this tomato can cost like $1. Do you know cool Domino's pizza like this can cost around $15? And this is like too much. So today we're making $1 pizza. So to make good pizza, first of all we need good dough. But first of all, don't forget, prepare your oven. So this stuff upside down. It's important, guys. Drop it into the oven so it can preheat and maximum. While oven is heating up, let's prepare our ingredients. So to make cheap pizza around $1, we need a cheap flour like this. This is like super cheap, guys. No brand flour, like super cheap. You can buy it everywhere. Just super cheap flour. So second of all, we can make bread and call it pizza, like pizza marinara, maybe with just some toast, and it will cost like $1/2. But I want a cool pizza with this. This is like super cheap, no brand pepperoni or salami, something like this. Very cheap. 100 grams will be less than $1/2, so basically like 0 and 30. Super cheap. What else we need? Mozzarella, yeah, mozzarella. Mozzarella is so pricey, cheese, it's very pricey, so we use like no brand, super cheap, I don't know what is it, cheap cheese. And last but not least, yeah, we need this tomato puree to make tomato sauce. Yeah, that's just incredible stuff, you see? So cheap, very cheap tomato sauce we can make with only tomato paste. It's not really cheap, but you can make a bunch, really big bunch of sauce. Yeah, with a little thing, diluted with water, and you will make many sauce. But to start out with the pizza, we need pizza dough. Of course, I recommend you to watch my one best pizza dough recipe, something like this. You can watch it on my channel, but in short, you will make this recipe right now. So first of all, you need ice cold water. You drop it into some bowl with some salt, and then you just add flour, bunch of flour, and then you mix it up everything with some active dry yeast. Active dry yeast, you drop it into the flour. It's easy to use. So mix it up, finish it by hand, and leave it for rest for like 1 hour at least, maybe 2 hours, and basically covered. Then you just pick it up, make a ball, and leave it for a few more hours. And to make cheap cheese even cheaper, you just slice it up, too finely, grate it as fine as possible. The finer you grate, the more area it will cover, and cheaper it gets. So cheaper cheese, more cheaper. And let's cut our big boy. Yeah, salami. You see, it's cheap, but looks pretty nice. Maybe it's like more fat than normal salami, but it looks so nice and cheap. Do you see? It's really beautiful stuff. I like, and it can cover like a large area. Yeah, it will have like large area of our pizza. So we take like 100 gram. It's totally fine. It's totally cool. It can cover all pizza like 50 gram. Okay, so how we making cheapest pizza sauce? Actually, it's really easy. You take tomato puree, tomato paste. It should be like dry, really dry, and we will use 250 gram. For one pizza, it's enough for like 1 spoon. With just like 50 gram, it's enough. But we make 250 gram today because I will make a bunch of pizzas for $1. So what's next? It's actually easy. You just go add some salt. First of all, some salt, just a little bit. Basically that's it. You just add water, dilute it, and sauce is ready. But if you want more Italy style, more cool pizza sauce, add some spices. maybe black pepper, maybe, you know, dried garlic, something like this. I will use dried garlic today. And some basil. Yeah, I got some basil. It's free for me because I'm, you know, growing it on my balcony, so just like this, but you don't need to use it. Basil is not cheap, but it's like free for me, so I can use it right now. And I will drop it in my sauce and it will be great. So right now some water, little by little. So yeah, just 50 grams, and you see, sometime magic happens. You see, it comes together, tomato paste becoming pizza sauce. Oh, this smells awesome, so tasty. And basically you can dilute it as much as you want, add more water, dilute more. More water means more cheaper sauce. Yeah. So everything is ready and it's time to assemble our pizza. Yeah, let's get it. We got everything is ready. So it's time to make it. First of all, we need some flour on the table, just a little bit, you know, just to make our great pizza as always. So some Napoli style moves, you know, from bottom to top. Make it nice pizza crust. If you know how to do it, you can do it Napoli style like this, just slap it a few times and it's ready. If you don't know how to use your hands, you can just stretch it with like wine bottle. Why not, guys? Why not? Do whatever you want. It's pizza after all. It's like tasty. Let's add some sauce. Oh, sauce, cheapest sauce, really nice, and some grated cheese. Yeah, yeah, cheese. 100 grams of cheese. 100 grams of cheese is really cheap too. It's like no brand cheese. And let's finish it with some salami. Yeah, you already know how much it cost. We drop it to the oven for just 10 minutes and look at this gorgeous, beautiful pizza for just $1, not $15 like you can order in Domino's. And it's easy to make, it's fast to make. Let's taste it. Drop it on something and try out. Oh, beautiful, nice. Okay, $1 pizza. So, is it better? Oh, nice. Yeah. You know, crust is nice, dough is nice, cheese is tasty. It's just awesome. Incredible. How tasty can be $1 pizza? Guys, just go and watch my other recipes on my channel right now on the screen. Yeah.